Hey, boys and girls, let's take a look at this problem in your lesson from today. It says to solve, show your work, and of course, watch this video to check your work. If your work doesn't match up with mine, then make a change on it, please, so that when we look at those boards, we know what's going on. So we've got 4 and 72 hundredths times 9 and 16 hundredths. Let me grab my tools here. We need to multiply these decimals. Step is going to be setting this up so that it is like a hamburger and not a hot dog. 4 and 72 hundredths times 9 and 16 hundredths. Now, boys and girls, if you can do multiplication, then you can do multiplication with decimals. So we've got it all set up. Right now, I'm going to ignore my decimals and I'm going to carry on and start my multiplication. All right, so starting with the bottom smallest place value, I've got my 6 down here. So 6, I'm going to multiply it times every digit in my top number. Times 2 is 12. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 1 is 43. I'm going to cross that off. 6 times 4 is 24, plus this 4 will be 28. All right, I'm going to move to my next position, which is the 1 place. What are the digit in this? Actually, technically in the 10th place, but I need to make sure that it gets the value of that place. So I'm going to fill a 0 in down below. And then I'm going to multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 4 is 4. All right, let's continue on. Let's go to the next place, which is our 9. And it's not the value of a 9. It's actually needs to fill in these zeros so that it gets the correct value. So now 9 times 2 is 18, and I'm going to carry my 1. 9 times 7 is 63, plus my 1 is 64. So let me do this. Oh, I almost put it needs to be a 4. Let me fix that. All right, so I said 64 there. Then carry my 6. All right, and then 6 times 4 is 36. And then I'm going to add 6 to that. So that will give me 36, 42. Just making sure I got that right. Okay, final step here. Well, not final step, sorry. I should just say next step is to add all of my partial products together. Okay, so let's scroll down. 1, 3, 2, 2, 0, 0. It's going to give me 2. 3, 2, and 0 will give me 5. All right, 8 and 7 is going to give me 15. And then 15 and another 8 is going to give me 23. Carry my 2. All right, so 2 and 4 is 6. And then 6 and 4 is 10. And then 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4. Okay, now I should say my final step is I've got to go back and look at those decimal places. I've got to scoop, like the scoop, right? Remember the video with the scoops? So I have to decide how many places I need to move my decimal in my answer, okay, in my product. So this has 2 space places for decimals, and this factor has 2. So I need to move my decimal point 4 places from the end. So it's right here on the end right now. I don't want it there. I want to move it 4. Oh, pardon me. Up, 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 up. Let me get back there. There we go. I want to move it 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm scooping it 4 places. So right there is where it's going to go. So I'm going to erase where it originally was. So now my final answer is 43.2352. Okay. If you did not get this, you need to check your work and make change.